Hello my dear friends, welcome all of you guys in today's video. We are talking about one of the biggest gaming platform where you can play and earn very big income. So keep watching the video till the last. We are talking about Trustxgaming. Its completely crypto-based platform official website is www.trustxgaming.io. Let's understand detail information. TXG is a leading platform in the world of cryptocurrency and multiplayer in real-time gaming. TXG token are decentralized token that work on the mobility in the gaming world platform, provide common platform for the gaming community across the world, where every individual or their team can compete with the world-class gamers. Let's understand concan detail information. Token symbol is TXG, run on BEP 20 decimal is 18, token name is Trustxgaming. Contract address you can see on the screen. Total supply 660,000, build on Binance Smart Chain. My dear friends, locked token 90.9% completely locked. Locked token release on every week. 2% 12,000 token for 50 week 91.1% token distribute. Gaming reward, legal activities, system expense. Let's understand spoken distribution. 33% distribute in public, 10% distribute in gaming reward, 10% distribute in founders, 5% distribute is angel investor, 10% distribute in operations, 10% distribute in marketing, 17% distribute in treasury, 5% distributor legal, friends. Let's understand games you can see on the screen. Color prediction, 3-card Ludo Haddentail Point Rummy 7 of 7 down Dragon and Tiger Inside Out. Roulette Jackpot, 3-card Red and Black Pokar. All game payment mod in TXG token. Let's understanding amount token. If you stack with 5 token, your rank is branch. If you stay with 10 token, your rank is silver. If you take with 20 token, your rank is gold. If you stack with 50, your rank is platinum. If you stack with 100 token, your rank is diamond. Daily, you can get 1.2% token passive income, 200% return active, 300% return, 9% token of total supply are blocked, which will be released 2% every week for a total of 50 weeks. Let's understand new stacking package. If price is going to up token new stacking package you can see on the screen according to fluctuation. Let's understanding bonus slab. First week to 8th week 1.2%. You will get daily. 9th week to 16th week 1% you will get daily. 17th week to 24th week you can get 0.8%. You will get daily. 25th week to 32 week you can get 0.6%. You will get daily. 33 week onward you can get 0.5% daily active bonus. You can get 300% passive bonus. You can get 200% return. Let's understand affiliate level income. First level, you can get 25% on first levels. Team ROI on ROI. Second level, you can get 25% third level. You can get 25% fourth level. You can get 5% fifth level and 6th level. Also, you can get 5% each level 7th level and 8th level. You can get each level 3% 9th level and 10th level. Each level you can get 2%, need 1 direct to open every level. Let's understand mega power income. If you completed 500 token direct business in 15 days, you can get 25 token plus 12 weeks. If you completed 1,000 token business within 15 days, you can get 50 tokens 12 weeks. Let's understand withdrawal bonus. 10% detection on every withdrawal. This withdrawal amount will be distributed to top for ID, top first ID 40%, top second ID 30%, top third ID 20%, top fourth ID 10%. Let's understand terms and conditions. Passive ID get 200% return active. ID get Rs 300% return, 10% detection on every withdrawal minimum. Withdrawal is $10 withdrawal on daily basis. Friends, for more information, you can check the description if suggested. The number of expert leader in the description you can call and get more information. Thanks for watching the video.